Welcome to Tiger Reviews channel. In today's video, we will explore together the world of the most modern and groundbreaking machines, especially tree stump destroying machines, indispensable tools in tree management and protection. Environment. Have you ever wondered how to deal with stubborn tree stumps quickly and effectively? The stump destroying machines we introduce today will surprise you with their power and advanced technology. We don't stop there. We also bring you to the world of the most modern and novel machines, from agricultural and construction machinery to other high-tech equipment. You will admire machines capable of working with incredible speed and accuracy, helping to improve productivity and save time and effort. Join us on a journey to explore these technological wonders and see how they are changing our lives every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting videos from us. Thank you for following. And now, let's begin our journey of discovery. 1. The world's largest machine, weighs 14,000 tons, moves lighter than a human foot. Even though it weighs up to 14,000 tons, this machine can move surprisingly gently. This is a giant machine present in Western Germany, called the Bagger 293 rotary bucket excavator. This machine is as tall as the Big Ben clock tower in London. The Bagger 293 excavator can gobble up hundreds of thousands of tons of soil every day. This is a real machine, not fantasy or science fiction. The Bagger 293 is one of the largest land vehicles in the world. Imagine if similar machines look like small cities with circular saw blades. The Bagger 293 is the largest city among them. Accordingly, Bagger 293 is recognized in the Guinness Book of World Records as the largest land vehicle on the planet. Bagger 293 is manufactured by German company Tackraft, is about 225 meters long and weighs more than 14,000 tons. Despite its huge size and very heavy weight, this machine only leaves marks on the path, no deeper than human footprints. These excavators are masters of one skill, lignite mining. This is something they do unlike any other machine. This machine can move more than 200,000 tons of soil a day, equivalent to 2,500 kilograms of material per second. The magnitude on this scale is astonishing. To operate the Bagger 293 excavator, a team of 5 people is needed. In particular, to operate effectively, this giant machine needs an external power source of 16.56 megawatts. Bagger 293 has bucket wheels with a diameter of more than 21.3 meters, including 18 buckets, and each bucket contains more than 15 cubic meters of material. Experts say that to own a Bagger 293 machine, buyers need to spend at least $100 million United States dollars. The reason the Bagger 293 has such a high price is because it takes up to 5 years to design, produce, and wait for assembly for another 5 years to complete this machine. 2. The world's largest mining machine, Liebherr T282B. The Liebherr T282B has a power equivalent to 3,650 horses and can carry up to 400 tons of rock on its back. Liebherr T282B is a super heavy-duty truck model specifically used for the mining industry. The vehicle is 7.8 meters high, 7.4 meters wide, 15.3 meters long, and weighs 2.5 tons. It is so large that it cannot and is not allowed to move on the road, so people transport the car's parts to the mine and then completely assemble it there. The vehicle is equipped with an MTU DD 20 volts 4000 engine with 20 cylinders arranged in a V shape and has a capacity of 90 liters. The capacity of this 10.4-ton engine block, 3,650 horsepower, a maximum torque of up to 14,457 Newton meters. This massive engine block has the ability to drink 33 liters of oil for 1 hour of continuous operation. Therefore, manufacturer Liebherr has equipped the vehicle with a fuel tank with a capacity of up to 4,732 liters. Another special feature of this engine block is the diesel-electric transmission capability. This means that the diesel engine does not directly drive the vehicle axle, but provides power to a generator, which in turn is the source of power for the drive motor. The benefit of this is increased transmission to the rear wheels, as well as extending the life of the drive system. Ensuring the task of shouldering this giant is a set of Michelin 56 8063 tires. Each tire of this type has a diameter of 4 meters, a width of 1.4 meters, weighs 5 tons and costs more than 25,000 USD. The huge size and large heart help the vehicle have the ability to transport up to 400 tons of soil and rock, pushing the total weight of the vehicle when loaded up to 658 tons. Contrary to its massive and dusty appearance, the cockpit of the T-8B can be said to be quite luxurious and modern, with leather seats and soundproof panels to reduce noise when working. In addition, the car is also equipped with an industrial computer with a screen located on the dashboard, replacing the old clock system. The role of the above computer is to provide useful information to the driver, such as information about the engine, transmission system status, or vehicle speed. 3. Big Bertha is the world's largest tunnel boring machine. The entire TBM Bertha drilling equipment has a giant cylindrical shape, divided into 41 parts. TBM Bertha is 99.3 meters long, 17.5 meters in diameter, weighs 7,000 tons, including 6,350 tons of steel and machinery. TBM Bertha installs 260 teeth, cutting lugs, facing the tunnel section. The blade of the machine is in the form of a large wheel. Hard alloy lugs, multi-directional mounting, can crush and shave hard ice. When the drill rotates the blade and goes deep, the soil and rock are cut into a flat surface with a diameter of 17.5 meters. Whether the machine encounters hard rock or loose soil, the equipment has a solution to handle it, crush it, and take it out. Navigation is done using satellite positioning and extremely precise lasers. The TBM has a rotating and lifting capacity of 25,000 horsepower. The entire TBM moves at a speed of about 10 meters per day. Most machines operate automatically, but still require 25 people to operate. Following the drill and cutting blade is an electromechanical combination that transmits force to the drill head. Behind the giant cutting blade is a mud tube. It carries mud and rocks to the rear using reels and conveyor belts, up to 1 meter wide. About 850,000 cubic meters of soil and rock must be transported out through this system. Thousands of arc-shaped, 0.6 meters thick precast concrete components were continuously brought in by cart. Each set of arc-shaped components weighs up to 163 tons. There is a large machine hand here that assembles these components into a tunnel mold. Fastening the components is a system of oblique screw bolts, along with locking pins to harden the panels. It's truly an iron-digging monster. 4. Antonov An-225 Mriya, the largest aircraft of all time, was born to carry spacecraft. The Antonov An-225 is equipped with 6 turbofan engines with a wingspan nearly the length of a football field, providing extremely large lift force, and is used to transport special items that require few engines. Other flights are possible. Antonov An-225 has been mobilized to transport weapons and equipment such as armored vehicles, helicopters, and most recently as protective equipment for COVID-19 epidemic prevention. However, when the AN-225 was born and made its first official flight carrying the space shuttle at the end of 1988, after performing about a dozen test flights carrying the space shuttle, Its mission was also officially closed. In 2001, An-225 was completely cleaned, upgraded with many modern equipment and put back into use. Also this year, the An-225 set 124 world records, including transport capacity, flight ceiling and record amount of cargo carried. Specifically, on September 11, 2001, An-255 loaded and transported 5 main battle tanks, each weighing 50 tons. Such capacity allows the An-225 to carry up to 16 shipping containers or 80 cars. In April 2020, An-225 set another record when transporting 100 tons of protective equipment, medicine, and COVID-19 test kits from Shenzhen, China to Warsaw, Poland. Images of the An-225 plane landing in Poland were broadcast live to 80,000 viewers. During more than 2.5 months during that period, the An-225 performed 10 flights serving anti-COVID-19 activities to different locations around the world. The An-225 rarely flies due to high operating costs. According to Antonov, the An-225 consumes more than 20 tons of fuel per hour, equivalent to $6,700 at 2020 prices. Therefore, it is only used for transport orders with the most stringent requirements. 5. CSCL Globe, the largest shipping in China. The globe is more than 400 meters long, equivalent to 8 times the size of the Olympic swimming pool, 56.8 meters wide and 73 meters high. The total tonnage of the ship is 186,000 tons, equivalent to 14,500 London buses. This is the first in a series of 5 giant ships of similar size built by South Korea's Hyundai Heavy Industries HHI. The ship has the capacity to carry 19,100 standard containers 6 meters length. According to engineers' estimates, it has enough space to hold 156 million pairs of shoes, 300 million tablets, or 900 million cans of beans. When stacked end to end, the maximum number of containers can stretch 115 kilometers, equivalent to the distance between Felixstowe and London, or Birmingham and Manchester. With this capacity, Globe took the leading position of the previous Triple-E ship with a capacity of 18,270 standard containers. Triple-E is operated by Danman's Maersk Company and was transferred in June 2013. 30 years ago, no ship could carry more than 5,000 containers. In 1996, the first cargo ship with 6,000 containers began its journey to sea, named Regina Maersk. According to German design firm MAN Diesel, the Glob's engine is the largest, in terms of sheer physical size, ever built. It has a height of 17.2 meters, a width of 5.2 meters, and a length of 22.5 meters. Despite its huge size, the total number of crew members is only 23 people. In addition, the engine can automatically adjust fuel consumption according to travel speed and sea conditions, using 1/5 less fuel than a vehicle carrying 10,000 containers. CSCL invested $700 million to build 5 globes. 6. Panzerbike, the world's heaviest motorcycle equipped with a tank engine. Powered by a Soviet tank engine and weighing more than 5 tons, the Panzerbike is by far the heaviest rideable motorcycle in the world. Brothers Thilo and Wilfried Niebel of Hase Bike Motorcycle Shop in Zierli, Germany. These 2 mechanics always had the opinion that old materials could be reused instead of being thrown away. So they came up with the idea of finding parts to use to build a motorbike for them. Only me. The 2 brothers found a Soviet T-55 tank engine and wondered if it could be used. And this was the beginning of a very special project. The distinction helped them achieve a Guinness World Record and hold it for nearly 2 decades. Panzerbike uses the V16 engine from the T55 tank with a capacity of 580 horsepower. The build process took a year, requiring them to develop specialized transmission, cooling and braking systems. A reinforced steel frame and wheels taken from military trucks contributes to the Panzerbike's rugged appearance. Panzerbike looks like it came out of a Mad Max movie, assembled from military parts. This engineering wonder represents the pinnacle of creativity and passion in motorcycle manufacturing, demonstrating human will and determination. The story of the Panzerbike has inspired many people, affirming that nothing is impossible with enough determination and effort. With its design and powerful engine, Panzerbike has become a legend in the vehicle world. Thank you for watching the video. These technical masterpieces not only demonstrate outstanding strength and ability, but also demonstrate human creativity and endless efforts. If you find this video interesting, click like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss other interesting videos. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to update the latest content from us. Thank you and see you in the next video.